You're watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. How to understand English 5 steps. Learn basic words and phrases. Listen every day. Use subtitles. Read easy English book. Practice speaking. Learn basic words and phrases. Start with simple and daily use English words like hello, thank you, what is your name? Eat, go, come, sit, stand. If you understand common words, you can guess the meaning of sentences. Listen every day. Listen to easy English every day. For example, children's cartoons in English, slow English YouTube videos, English news with subtitles, easy English podcast or stories. These will train your ears. You understand how words sound. Use subtitles. When watch the English videos or movies, turn on English subtitles. This helps you match the sound with the written words. Examples: if you hear how are you and read the same line, you learn both listening and reading. Read easy English books. Start with children's storybooks, short passages, or beginner reading materials. Reading helps you see how words are used in sentences. Practice speaking. Speak English daily, even small sentences. When you speak, your brain starts to understand how English works. Don't be afraid of mistakes. I like tea. Today is Monday. She is my sister. Final tips. Don't give up. Listen more, read more, speak more. Use simple English first. You will understand better with time and practice. If you enjoyed it, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Thank you.